So we are making a temperature indicator with 3 LEDs over here. The color of the LEDs have been changed from here. You can do that as well. Even though by default you will only get red LED from here, you can change the colors. And the resistor value is 100 ohms for each resistor. As you can see, I've connected red to 0, green to 1 and 2 to blue, and I'll connect ground to all of them right now, the black wire. Even and there we have it. Our LEDs are ready and connected and ready to code. What we want to do is we want the temperature sensor to be working all the time. So again, we are going to start with a forever block, and we want to take input as temperature. So let's track a temperature block. We need some comparison here because we are having three conditions. That is, if it is less than 20, it's cold. If it's more than 30, it's hot, right? And otherwise it's peachy and it's green. So let's do that, but we need an if block for this. So I'm just going to use an if block over here, and that's how I hope you're able to see it. I'll just drag this a little bit. Yeah, so if temperature, so let's do our first condition first. If temperature is less than 20, we want our blue LED, which is the pin number 2. So let's set output to digital write P2 to high. But you have to remember at that time you have to make sure the other two LEDs are not high. So just duplicate that part and P1 to low, duplicate again, and P0 to low. And we have our first block ready. Now the second condition is that if it is greater than 30, only the red one has to glow. So this is going to be really easy. I just duplicated a block. I just have to change this values. Of course, this is going to be low. Red is P0, so we need this one as high. We are done with our two condition. Next is the third one. We're duplicating this again. This time, however, you can take an end block from here. Do we have an end? Yeah, you have an end block. So we are going to use an end block, and if the temperature is less than equal to 30, I would rather do equal to's over here and do less than here. Less of a confusion. Yeah. If it is less than 30, and then we can just duplicate this block, and it's greater than 20. That is our ideal temperature, and we want P1 to be high and everything else to be low. And that's our code. I can zoom out so you can see all of the three conditions, and that's pretty much it. Once you start simulation, you can see that it is 21 degrees Celsius, so green is high, the one that is lit up, red and blue. Really cool, right? That's it.